I want you to think of this day as a very important day. This day will be etched in history as the genesis and the birth, where teachers are no longer puppets. This day is to be remembered, where teachers are no longer slaves.
Isamla Mayborn Lyngdoh ibasyong basa hapon nong mensong ibala pendep ya kakardan puli ME haka honors English but haka ju kaporu ibalong inong hikai school but inong kren lani nong 18 napo ka kenhun first term kabadai ka kenhun jong kinong hikai school menta ilapen kre banyakhun saya ka election MLA ka bansalong house name haja fly napo ka seng VPP kabadai kaseng balaya lam khmat da iba arden basayamoy kumban supentip happy ba ibabu Mayborn in saya khun na po ka penthor khra constituency pyrshah ya iba PN Syiem bat ya iba Bah Al Hek ibadai MLA jong katay ka penthor khra constituency Shillong.
If we take a look at the taxi fare, it has gone from rupees 10 on an average to rupees 50. The taxi fare has increased 5 times. The minister in the MDA government holds the Lamborghini Huracan, which is the first, my dear friends, in Northeast. Very proud moment for the state of Meghalaya. Why? Because our minister owns this most expensive car in the entire Northeast. It is very optimistic, I must say, on his part. No roads. You go to Mauhati constituency, no roads, but a Lamborghini is there. A Lamborghini is there. Very optimistic, I must say. The most shameful thing that has ever happened to the state of Meghalaya.